found a paper boat in a grocery bag, folded from a receipt with a tiny blue flag. It had your name on it, written in green ink, sitting by the sink like it knew how to think. And I said, hey little drift, where you gonna go? Past the porch steps, past the bent fence post. Paper boat parade, paper boat parade. Take me where you sway, take me where you fade. Paper boat parade, paper boat parade. Carry my day away, carry my day away. Past the cracked playground, past the shell-out curb, past the lady with the dog and the kid on the dirt. I watched it wobble close to the storm drain mouth, held my breath for it, then it turned back south. And I said, hey little drift, you're a stubborn thing, you can outrun the rain with a folded wing. Paper boat parade, paper boat parade. Take me where you sway, take me where you fade. Paper boat parade, paper boat parade. Carry my day away, carry my day away. If the water gets loud, if the edges tear, I'll still send you out, I'll still meet you there. On a messy little stream by a busted curb, you and all your small brave dreams going one by one unheard. Paper boat parade, paper boat parade. Take me where you sway, take me where you fade. Paper boat parade, paper boat parade. Carry my day away, carry my day